I'm able to generate enough money to cover some of my day-to-day living expenses and also some of my transport expenses. Hi everyone, I'm Cheng, 23 this year, and I'm an undergraduate studying political science in NUS. So before VIA, the only investing which I do basically is just I just put a lump sum of money into robo-advisors. It's very scary to start investing just like that. There's no way to guide you. I always knew I need to invest. It's always been at the back of my mind, but in the past I didn't know where to find the resources to learn about investing. So initially I was quite skeptical because the investment industry, there's a lot of scams. But once I attended the masterclass, once Cayden introduced the concept of value investing, it really clicked for me. I find it to be really logical, and I can also feel like Cayden wants to imbibe the knowledge to you. My main goal is just to generate enough income from investment whereby I can be able to not worry about my finances and do things which are meaningful to me. And also inflation is also quite high right now, so it's better to invest to keep up with inflation. So I enrolled in VIA in late March this year. Basically the most valuable lesson I learned was how to evaluate what is a good business and what is a bad business. Looking at the annual reports, etc. It really helped a lot. It gives me peace of mind that I'm investing in good companies, good businesses. Once I start seeing stocks as being part of a business rather than just a ticker symbol over there, it really changed my mindset. Now I know that being a stock owner is being part owner of a business. This is something which I find to be very logical. So using the cash flow option strategy which Cayden taught us, I'm able to generate enough money to cover some of the expenses, some of my day-to-day living expenses and also some of my transport expenses. So as for the money which I use for investing, most of it comes from the part-time jobs which I do. Part-time usher at the University Cultural Centre, but the pay is $12 per hour. And also from my NS, the savings from my NS time. Basically for my part-time job, I try to put 60% of the money I earn into investments. So during the program, Cayden taught us how to build a well-rounded portfolio. So basically my portfolio consists of around 60% in stocks, 20% in ETFs and 20% in cash. So the reason why most of it is concentrated in stocks is because right now, because I'm a student, I have more time to evaluate and search for good companies to invest in, and moreover, my time horizon is also much more longer. So it's important to build a well-rounded portfolio so that if the market is not doing well, then there may be some of your assets which are still able to pull up your portfolio. For example, during a bear market, although stocks may not be doing so well, bonds may help to prop up your portfolio. So my tips for those who want to start investing is to join this VIA program, because it's very difficult and almost impossible for you to learn investing through just online means alone.